Innovation refines quality, while quality promotes brand building. We are Sunlets, a sanitary ceramic factory planner and designer, a comprehensive technical service provider, a sanitary ceramic technology and equipment solution provider, and a device manufacturer. Adhering to the idea of science and technology, innovation and the future, we are committed to constantly upgrading our production equipment. As the first manufacturer in China to develop the high-pressure technique, we produce high-quality sanitary ceramic machinery efficiently under a strict control procedure in a consummate manufacturing process. Our Sunlets sanitary ceramic machinery series are produced with independent intellectual property rights. Our leading products have superior performance and have won many innovation awards. Our ball mills, provided with a high-efficiency energy-saving starting system, boast a larger ball milling capacity and higher grinding efficiency. Our automatic high-pressure casting line for intelligent toilet production is a device developed by us independently. It is also the world's first high-pressure casting line for intelligent toilet production. Compared with the traditional intelligent toilet production lines, it requires 70% less manpower and floor space and energy consumption. Our automatic high-pressure casting line for one-piece toilet production can work automatically, and workers only need to process products on the conveyor line. Under PLC and touchscreen control, it is easy to operate remotely. Our automatic high-pressure casting line for split toilet production can work automatically, and workers only need to process products on the conveyor line. The line is equipped with an easy-to-operate parameter modification platform, where the parameters can be adjusted in time according to real-time mod properties. Our high-pressure casting line for water tank production works efficiently and saves manpower. Our robot glazing station realizes two-position glazing, making glaze thickness more uniform and steady, thus improving the product qualification rate. It is efficient and cost-effective. The intelligent tunnel kiln control system, energy-efficient combustion system, and kiln lengths can be designed according to user requirements. Our porcelain inspection line is equipped with an appearance inspection table, a water leak detection machine, and a flush test machine, thereby saving manpower, standardizing the inspection procedure, and avoiding missing inspection. Sunlets, a sanitary ceramic technology and comprehensive technical service provider, an equipment solution provider, and a device manufacturer.